This video covers the functionality of the project dashboard and sidebar in the new eProject Builder version 3.0. Access the project dashboard and additional functions by clicking on the project name on the portfolio page or under the project's action menu. Once you arrive on the project dashboard, you'll see a project summary displayed at the top of the page, which provides information including your role in the project status, and a few key project metrics. The Next Steps box contains a message about the status of your project, data completion, and a suggestion for what you can do next. It can suggest actions like upload a data template, view MNV data, or others. The available actions on the sidebar and suggested next steps will vary depending on whether you are the project initiator or PI, project builder or PB, or project viewer, PV, and the status of the project, whether it's in pending, pre-approval, or approved status, which is designated at the top of the dashboard. The available actions will also vary depending on whether your project is in calculating or non-calculating mode, as there are no required fields for projects in non-calculating mode. Projects can be entered in calculating or non-calculating mode by populating and uploading their data using the calculating or non-calculating template. The calculation mode can also be changed for a project by clicking Calculation Type on the sidebar. Projects entered in calculating mode use EPB's built-in calculations and have required fields. Projects entered in non-calculating mode have no required fields, so users must enter all project data as no calculations are required. Users can choose between the two modes by toggling between the two here, though they can only make the change when the project is in pending status. And lastly, project version indicates the version of the data template uploaded. All functionality occurs on the sidebar of the project dashboard, as well as in the Next Steps box. This link in the sidebar allows you to download a blank version of the current data template, both the calculating and non-calculating versions. Once the Excel data template is populated with your project's data, the project builder may upload the data template. Here, I've uploaded a calculating template. Required fields that are not yet complete will be flagged with the required field indicators. Note that only projects uploaded using the calculating template or entered in calculating mode, the default, have required fields. By toggling from calculating to non-calculating mode in the system, these fields are no longer flagged as missing, as no fields are required. Alternatively, you can enter some or all of your project data by manually keying data fields into the various sections of the Edit Project Data screen. Data is automatically saved into the system once you type it in. Once all project data has been entered, you can submit the project for approval by going back to the project dashboard. You can also see that now that the project has been populated with data, the key metrics are also populated at the top of the project dashboard. The next steps indicate that the project is 100% data complete and ready to be submitted. Because I am both the project initiator and project builder of the project, this project was approved automatically once submitted. You may view the complete schedules with all your project data at any time, whether or not the information is complete, by clicking View Financial Schedules. You may view the schedules online or download them as a PDF document. Once the project has been submitted by a project builder and then approved by a project initiator, the financial schedules are permanently archived in the project builder. They can be accessed by clicking the Schedule Archive link. If a project is modified and reapproved, another snapshot of the schedules is generated and archived, so project initiators and project builders have a permanent history of the changes to their project schedules. All users who have authorized access to view a project can view that project's financial schedules. However, access varies depending on the user's role on the project and the project status. Project builders can view their project's financial schedules at any time. Project initiators can view project financial schedules only after the project builder has completed and submitted the project data and the project is in pre-approval or approved status. Authorized project viewers can view project financial schedules only after the project is in approved status. eProject Builder also provides a very handy repository for storing documents relevant to the project. To upload and access these additional documents, click the Other Files link. Project initiators and project builders can also view and manage the list of people who have access to their project via the Manage Participants link. This function allows project initiators and project builders to add project viewers who will have read-only access to their project. Project viewers must first register for an EPB account before they can be added to a project. To add a project viewer, the project initiator or project builder will click plus project viewer. Type in the email of the registered user and click Submit. Note that project initiators and project builders also have the option to remove a project viewer from a project. As mentioned previously, some sidebar functionality may vary depending on the project status and the user's role on the project. For example, once a project is in approved status, the M&V module will appear for the project builder. For projects that need to be modified, only project initiators can unlock projects using the Unlock link in the sidebar. When projects are unlocked, they return to pending status, so the M&V module will still remain available. Note that project builders cannot unlock projects unless they are both the project initiator and the project builder. This concludes the overview of the EPB dashboard and sidebar functionality. For more information on entering and submitting projects in eProject Builder, please see the user guide on the Help and Documentation page.